Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So I love to cook bacon. I cannot do it on the stove to save my life, but I love cooking in the microwave, but it was always messy. You know, the grease, the splatter. So I was so excited to get this. This is the Prep Solutions Microwavable Bacon Grill with a lid. Let me show you how it works. My family loves bacon. I have to put all my bacon in there. Did you see? Okay, I have the bacon on there. We put the lid on and it definitely reduces splatter. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I cooked the bacon. I like to do it on a lower power setting for a little bit longer. It doesn't burn as much for me. That's just my microwave. But let me show you what you get. So here's my bacon done. And I do notice they all darken or get cooked at different rates. So I peek in there every couple minutes. But look, I don't even know if you can see it, guys, but that's all the grease. So definitely better than skillet. And then guess what? I saved this grease for later, so when I'm cooking or I need some extra fat in something, I can throw in some bacon grease. All right, so when you're ready to cook some bacon and not have that mess and that splatter, look no further than the Prep Solutions. It's a microwavable bacon grill with a lid, and that's my point of view.